going to take you through the L10 meeting agenda app. It's a tool designed to help manage meeting time effectively. It allows you to create structured agendas with time allocations for each item, track elapsed and remaining time, and receive visual and audio cues as you progress through your meeting. The main interface, the header section, includes the logo and title. The total time shows the total duration of all agenda items combined, and the current item display when the meeting is actually running. The current item title shows the title of the active agenda item. The time remaining displays the time remaining for the current item. The progress bar, visual indicator of time elapsed for the current item. And then the next item shows the next agenda item and its duration. Agenda items are in a list, and list items are visible there with their titles. Duration next to those shows the allocated time for each item, and then the active item indicator shows the current active item highlighted and shows a pulsing dot for time tracking. Elapsed shows the total time elapsed since the meeting started. Remaining shows the total time remaining for all agenda items. The control buttons are start, and then when you hit start, you see pause. And when you are in the active meeting, you can hit pause, and then that button turns to resume. So you can start the meeting, you can pause the meeting, you can resume the meeting. You can navigate through the next item, or you can reset the agenda as a whole to start from the beginning. The icons on the bottom right here show a pop-out, which allows you to separate the window with the timer itself. So you can do that if you want to use it on the fly, ad hoc, and you can use it anywhere. And it functions as just a floating window app that you can drag anywhere on your screen. The settings, when you do the settings here, it shows you the basic settings of the tool itself. You can change the title, you can add agenda items, or use the default agenda items and change the name of any of the agenda items, change the total duration, or change the color for the item. You then can go to the sounds. There are three sounds associated with the agenda itself. One is the start, one is the transition between each agenda item, and one is the ending of the meeting sound. So those sounds will appear when each item is gone through. Then you have fonts. You can adjust the font family that you use. You can pick from a list of those fonts. Then you can adjust the size of the title, of the agenda item, or of the time display itself. Then we also have a templates option here. So if you design an agenda in a unique way, different from the template, from the default, you're able to open this and save that item, save that template. So you can create many different templates here that you can choose from for other use cases. So maybe there's one for ELT, maybe there's one for a director level, maybe there's one for a manager, or maybe there's one for program-specific agendas. They might have different agenda item lists. They might have a different agenda duration as a whole. So that allows you to save different templates and come back to them later. The sound icon just mutes the sound. If you don't want to hear the fun little sounds, you can mute those altogether. And then the help will take you to another tab, and it will show all the instructions. So how everything works, basically what I'm covering in this video.